Good morning, everybody. It's 7:17 on March 16th. Coming with you for another watch list today. It's going to be a slightly quick one. Not a ton of plays today. A lot of potential plays, but nothing that is super ideal out the gates. Probably just going to be more of an afternoon consolidation day, but we'll see. You never know what the market can bring. So first, I want to talk about a trade that I made yesterday, which was GME. I was playing the puts on GME, play these a little too safely. I was buying the 220 puts up here, selling some down here, rebuying some up here, and then selling the rest after this halt ended down at the 220s. Definitely played this a little too safe. As I mentioned to my mentee students, when the first red day is in, especially on an overextended stock like GME, it can definitely have more downside, and it looks like it is gapping down, which is characteristic of first red day plays. I played it way too safe, mainly because it is GME, and I wasn't willing to take that risk of GME having another Wall Street bet squeeze, it gapping up crazy tomorrow off some random news or what have you. So it's a very scary stock in regards to how fast they can just run out of nowhere. So I just took safe profits on it. But if you had played my alert and you were still holding, this would be up about 300, 400% from your entry. So incredible profits to be made there. I think I only made probably 100% of my money. Definitely didn't take the meat of the move, but I'll never say no to safe profits. UAMM is the stock I'm watching this morning for Morning Panic. Had some very nice volume come in at the end of the day, and was a pretty solid stock throughout the whole day. They had some news pre-market, which sent the stock going higher. And then it had that nice consolidation pattern I always talk about, and then it had a nice rip up. I didn't play this. I was away from the markets in the afternoon, which is normally where I'm at. I usually trade the mornings, and I'm sure as most of you do, you have busy lives. So I usually to trade the mornings and leave. But without these incredible runs, without these big morning panics, we're just getting a lot more afternoon plays and a lot more of these ABCD high daybreak patterns. So those are going to be the main watches. I mean, that's just what's working. This is extended a little bit, so hopefully we can get a nice little a little panic in the morning to buy into, but we'll see. I'm not going to try and force anything in this market that we're in. AABB, this is a fan favorite of mine. Weird action yesterday. It gapped up really fast in the morning. I tried to catch some of this, wasn't quite able to get it. Then it had some very choppy panics in the morning, which isn't my ideal pattern. But ideally, this has a panic this morning, or maybe it can base and then have a nice run past these previous day highs. This was kind of hard to play. I did actually alert this. Shout out to one of my mentee students, Brandon Woolridge. He actually banked on this. He played it perfectly. I alerted the buy right here. And remember, I was talking about those ABCD patterns working a lot more right now in the market. And that's exactly what happened here. I missed the AABB spike. It went sideways. And then I started alerting the buys down here once it started holding this consolidation period. And as you can tell, it ripped up. So very good play there if you were able to nail that. And Brandon did it, so I'm very proud of him. Good job. IPNFF. This was a nice little runner yesterday. Did they have news? I don't remember. They did have news. Yep. And what was that news? Let's take a look. Right. This is the NFT play. So a lot of NFT plays coming into to play right now. Elon Musk is doing a lot of those tweets, supporting NFTs. So I got a lot of NFTs on my watch list. Some of them have no volume right now and are really waiting to make their big moves. But as you can see here, IPNFF did have a nice push midday and in the morning as well. I had a really nice spike in the morning after this pull right here. But it was really choppy and really low volume. So I'm going to try and see if he can have a better panic today, or maybe he can consolidate and go higher. IMTL, this was another stock that kind of had a nice little gap up yesterday. Didn't do a whole lot, unfortunately. So I'm going to keep an eye on this for morning panic as well. We kind of see what we get. We got some other stocks here, which I'm going over for my mentee students. So if you want to learn those, make sure you join my mentorship program. I'll put the link below. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Really gonna be watching NFT plays. A lot of them are reminiscent of what the week plays used to be back in 2017, where they're kind of basing out, not a lot of volume. But once they get some steam, if they get some PR, they can really run. So definitely keep those on your watch. I'll be watching GME as well. I really hope it can spike in the morning so I can add some more puts into that and ride it on the way down, because I definitely think GME will be within the low 100s in the next coming days. So we'll see what happens with that. Again, GME is scary, so I'm not going to force it. But we'll be keeping our eyes on it. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you have a great day and go make that money. Peace.